Hi everyone! Welcome to the unboxing and review of the MAONO microphone kit. You can get this product on Amazon for about $37. Check out the link in the description. Assembling the microphone is pretty easy and only takes a few minutes. If you use the microphone with a regular computer, you don't need an additional phantom power supply. Just connect the microphone to the microphone jack of your computer and it's good to go. I tested the microphone for about 2 weeks and I think it's a very good product. I mostly use it for streaming instead of my old headset, and the microphone quality is so much better. So if you want to improve the sound quality of your recordings, I would recommend the MAONO microphone kit. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or comments about this product, and subscribe for more amazing product reviews.